Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. The law is truth and righteousness. February 4th. Attributes of God's law. Thy righteousness is an everlasting righteousness, and thy law is truth. Psalm chapter 119, verse 142. God sent truth into the world in untarnished glory, beauty, and perfection, and placed it in contrast with error. Neither men nor devils were able to detect a flaw in the character of Christ, but the revelation of the true light, which lighteth every man that cometh into the world, placed darkness in such contrast that men would not receive the light. There is no natural enmity between evil angels and evil men. Both are evil through transgression of the laws of God, and evil will always league against God. Fallen men and fallen angels enter into a desperate companionship. The purity and holiness of the character of Christ stirred up the very worst passions of the human heart. His perfect obedience to the commandments of God was a continual rebuke to a sensual and perverse generation. His spotless character was shedding light into the midst of the moral darkness of the world. Those who become sons of God cannot avoid coming into conflict with the host of apostasy. Through the merits of the Redeemer, God accepts the efforts of sinful man in keeping his law, which is holy, just, and good. Those who truly unite with Christ will be found doing the same work that Christ did while on earth. They will be found magnifying the law and making it honorable. When the advocates of truth reveal the efficiency of truth in their lives and character, a blow is struck against the kingdom of Satan. The character of God is righteousness and truth. Such is the nature of his law, says the psalmist. Thy law is the truth. All thy commandments are righteousness. Such a law, being an expression of the mind and will of God, must be as enduring as its author. Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for your further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.